Hey, I'm Scott. Today we're going to talk about Ekena Millwork's line of PVC Corbels and Rafter tails. Historically, Corbels and Rafter tails were structural elements on the house, but more recently they're a decorative element. They add curb appeal. They add value to your existing designs. Rafter tails specifically are an exterior millwork item. Corbels, on the other hand, they're exterior and they're interior. If you're looking for a custom design corbel that's not straight off the shelf, something specific for your design, this is the perfect item for you. As far as designs and sizes go, we have dozens of standard designs available, but truly we can make any custom design you have. As far as sizes, man, we can make any width, any depth, any height that you need. In fact, we have the same design right here in two different widths. We have this design in a different height and a different width. Also, we can do rafter tails and corbels custom size as large as you need. As I mentioned, we manufacture this product out of cellular PVC. PVC is a great paint grade material, but furthermore, for exterior applications, it's rot resistant, it's insect resistant, it is weatherproof. It's a great product for outside. When we manufacture this product, we have installation in mind. So we can manufacture it a couple different ways. We can manufacture it closed, so it's a solid corbel or a solid rafter tail. We like to manufacture them in an open method though, because what it allows you to do is use 2x4 as blocking. So you use 2x4 as the block to your substrate. You put the corbel or the rafter tail up to it, apply your high quality urethane adhesive on the surface, and then you can screw or nail in to the sides. It makes installation super easy. When it comes to finishing this product, if you installed it on the inside of your house, feel free to use any color latex paint you choose. If you're using it on the exterior of your house, we do recommend that you use a paint that is safe for vinyl and PVC. Pro tip, I would suggest you use a couple coats of primer and a couple coats of paint for a great finish. Our PVC Millwork collection offers complementary products. So we have brackets, we have braces, we have corbels, gable brackets, outlookers. Truly, we have millwork items that match the same design that you can use on your project. If PVC is not the right item for you though, we have hardwood corbels. We have urethane corbels that are on the shelf and ready to ship to your project right now. For more interesting and innovative items, please go to our website or give us a call anytime.